thanks for watching. My name's Deontay. Just wanted to show you guys a couple upgrades I've done to my Jeep recently. This is all budget friendly, so I don't have to have a ton of money to do this upgrade. First things, trail cams. You see here, got a camera mounted right here. I had this setup installed on my white Grand Cherokee probably 5 years ago, but since it's been parked for the last 3 years, I haven't used them. So it has this view right here so you can see your wheel. You got the front camera. Coolest thing about this is you can angle it down, so that way you can see directly in front of you. And then same over here, we got the other wheel well cam. That does take some time, so make sure you set a few hours aside to do it. In here, what I did is I went online and I purchased this LCD screen. It was, I think it's originally for a semi truck, so you can hook up multiple cameras to it. We have, this door's open so the channel 1 looks funny, but we have a wheel well cam, the second wheel well cam, front cam, and reverse cam. The purpose for the 2 wheel well cams is, I don't know if you guys have ever been in a situation where you're wheeling, going up a hill, and you have to cross your fingers and trust your sense of navigation when you get to that point where you can't see.
Damn. You can't go to your right. You can't go because there's a big old rock. But you don't want to go too far that way. You're gonna hit your middle. Okay. Yeah, that's the only way, but you can probably come this way, Deontay. Like this way. Oh yeah. Now you made it look easy.
I was gonna mount it, I wanted that downward view, and so I mounted it right here. So as I'm wheeling, I can see what's right in front of me. We'll set this up as an example. Just put this right here. I'm often wheeling by myself, which is the reason for this, because I rarely have a spotter. As you can see down in that picture, it's kind of small, but you can see right there. That's how close up you can get with this. You can cycle through the screens that you want to select. That's front and rear, wheel well, wheel well. You get the idea. It's pretty much the view you get when you stick your head out the window. And then the 2 bottom screens, the one on the left is the front camera, the one on the right is the rear camera. I'll leave the link of the part numbers I've used in the description. You can go online, order the parts. All you have to do to set it up is pretty much follow any rear view camera install video. There's a ton of them online. Just follow those videos, but times however many cameras you want to install. I was trying to find one to mount underneath the Jeep, but there's no safe place for a camera underneath the Jeep. Found the best areas I could think of, which were there. One more thing, shout out to Only Grans on Instagram. Cool page, a lot of cool videos on there. If you guys go on there, don't forget to like and follow their page. If you like watching WJ videos, off-roading, that kind of thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the next video. I'm going to show you guys 5 things you can do to make your WJ drive like it's stock again. I know a lot of you guys out there are struggling. I was myself for years trying to get my Jeep to drive straight. Girlfriend's scared to drive your Jeep. Your mom won't drive your Jeep. You're the only person who drove the Jeep for 10 years. I'm going to show you why.